Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today we'll talk about Silverstone, Farah 514X and Farah 314X cases. So friends, Silverstone has announced tower type cases designed for space and high airflow. And the Farah 314X is a micro ATX tower and the Farah 514X is an ATX mid tower cases. Friend, the both cases are characterized by their mesh front intake and large include 140 intake fans beside and including 120 exhaust fan and tempered glass left side panel and room for graphics card up to 36.5 cm in length along with the CPU cooler up to 17.3 cm in height. In both case feature horizontally layout with the upper compartment holding the spacious motherboard tray and the lower one with PSU with up to 21.7 cm of room for Spectre. And from the Farah 314X is offers for expansion slot and support micro ATX motherboard form factor and fire mount include either 3 120 or 2 140 front intake which hold one to the two include 140 ARGB fans and two 140 and 120 on top exhaust and two 140 and 120 top exhaust and beside the 120 rear exhaust and front radiator option including 280 into 140 along the front intake and 280 into 140 along top exhaust and the only drive bay in 3.5 inch and 2.5 inch in bottom compartment and there are three additional 2.5 inch mount along with the motherboard tray and front panel connectivity including two USB 3 Type A and 3.5 audio jack and the Farah 514X comes with large mesh front intake. Of this case house 3 including 140 ARGB fans and the case is deeper to and the top exhaust hold either 3 120 and 2 140 fans and radiator option including 360 into 120 along the front intake and 360 into 120 along the top exhaust and storage option include two 3.5 and 2.5 inch driveways and couple of 2.5 inch mount. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.